Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the new episode of Explore China with Asim with the series of Vietnam. Viewers, this is the night time and we are going to explore the Son Cha night market. This is the one of the biggest market in the Da Nang city of the Vietnam, and very beautiful market. Everything is available there, and we will show you the different corners of this market and what is the specialty of this market. So let's go with me. Viewers, as you just enter in this market, in the starting you will see some eatables. Means some of the domestic foods, some of the pancakes, dry fruit, and also the world famous Vietnam's coffee you can have in the starting. And this coffee is with different flavors. They have the gift packs also, the small packing, sachet, and different kind of. And you can see here they displayed with the different flavors of the coffee. Viewers, after the packed food, as you go little inside this market, you will have the fresh food also there. And here you can see the juice corner, fresh juice is here. A little inside you can have the fresh food, barbecue and roasted seafood, everything you can find from here. So we are going towards the food side firstly, and we will share with you what is available there, okay? Viewers, here you can see this is the fresh fruit ice cream. So what fruit you like, they can make that fruit ice cream for you in front of your eyes. And after that you can have the packing or you can eat here, whatever you like. Viewers, here you can see this is the fresh barbecue, seafood, and also the chicken, beef, mutton, many things are available here. So this is the Vietnamese pancake. This pancake they make the veggie pancake as well as the meat pancake. So it's your choice what you like, they will make for you freshly. One important thing in Vietnam is this thing, that is the seafood. So these seafood platters are very cheap here. This is the Vietnam Dong price, and as you will come here, really the size of this seafood platter, and they will roast for you right here. So you can enjoy the seafood barbecue in the night time. So we are already in the night market, so everything is here enjoyable in the night time. Viewers, you can see these are the different kind of the oyster, and in this food street they are here in the night market, and whatever flavor you like and whatever the oyster type you like, they will cook in front of you and then you can enjoy your meal. Viewers, when you will come here in the market, you will see everyone, they will call you with very friendly way, and they will say, hello sir, hello madam, do you want the barbecue, do you want the juice? Even though you don't want, still with their politeness you wish to eat something here. Viewers, this is the traditional way to do the barbecue here. Mostly they have the coal under it, and upper is the grill, and on the grill they roast the seafood as well as the meat here. So this is the real way of, and here is also they are grilling the meat. Viewers, here is one more important thing. There are the different kind of the oysters, and they fry these oysters in these silver pans. So this is the style of this recipe cooking. They put some different kind of spices, herbals inside it, and then they cook. You just need to choose which kind of oyster or the mixed oyster you want. They will cook in front of you. Viewers, here we have found different kind of the Vietnamese pancakes. There is the egg pancake, shrimp pancake, fish pancake, vegetable pancake. So pancakes are very famous in the Vietnam. Actually pancake they cook with the flour, and a semi-cooked flour, they will put the topping on it of the fish or the meat, and then they will roll it or in different shapes. So it is really very enjoyable recipe here. We are just looking first. Yeah. Viewers, Vietnam is the hot country, and here you can find the fresh juice everywhere. The fresh fruit juice or fresh vegetable juice. According to your choice, you will see these kind of the stalls everywhere in the Vietnam, in every street. So in the night market also there are so many like this. So whatever is your choice, you just come here and have the cool fresh juice. Viewers, when you will move in the food street of the Vietnam, you will see this kind of the French bread everywhere, and this is really very delicious bread. So this is one kind of one burger or sandwich you can say. They open this bread from one side and do the filling according to your choice. This filling can be by the meat, this can be by the vegetables, or the mix with the vegetable and the meat, and sauce is also according to your choice. But this bread is really very tasty. Viewers, here you see with the fresh fruit ice cream, they first put the fruit and then they add the milk, and then they mix it very well, and after that they will make it into one shape.
Hello, ice cream.
And then they will give you the ice cream of your choice. This is the strawberry flavor. Already they put the strawberry, and then they put the milk, and you see this is one. They make it like one music. So this is one trick of them to to have the attention of the customers. So by this way they are selling the ice cream here. Viewers, here we have found one dry fruit shop, and all kind of the dry fruits they are giving with the fixed price, 25 Vietnam dong for 100 grams. So all kind of the dry fruit they have, and even really this is a very fresh dry fruit. I can feel the fragrance of this dry fruit. So this is also very good shop here. Viewers, in the night market, here is the golden man, and you see kids are here and elders are here to tease him. But he will move if you give some tip here. Because after the food corner, now we are moving towards this night market, another corner. Here are the mobile accessories. Towards this side are some toys, small fans, handicrafts, watches. Means these all are the kids' products. So there are so many this kind of the souvenir shops are here. Even though when you will see, you can see these cartoon characters, these toys are around. So when you come with the kids, you will have these kind of the products here. And towards this side are also you see all the cartoon characters, Dragon Ball Z character, Marvel characters, you can have here. And these toys are with the different size, small size to the big size. So price will be accordingly. Viewers, no need to worry when you come here in this market and you think that you have the other currency rather than the Vietnamese dong or Vietnamese currency. Then you can come to this kind of shops. You can change your currency from here. So they can change every kind of currency almost, different countries. So according to that, you first check the price online also, and then you can even ask from them how much price they are giving. So never been cheated. So you just come here, give the other country currency to them, they will exchange for you to the Vietnamese dong. Viewers, weather is too much hot. It's about 8:35 p.m. here, but still weather is too much hot. So I am having the cool sugarcane juice. Here I am showing you, there are the Vietnamese hat, handmade hats, and some the fabric hats, some bags, and also the clothings. You can say the t-shirts, pants, and easy wearings. So they are with very cheap price. If you come here, you can buy and you can give the gifts to your beloved ones, or you can share these things with your other family and friends. And these are the colorful shirts, because you know Da Nang is the beach area, so people like to wear these kind of the shirts to go to the beach side. Viewers, here is the handicraft shop, and they have very beautiful handicrafts with the bamboo stalks and also the ceramics mixed with that. And these beautiful cups that you can see having some Vietnamese pattern on it or Vietnamese cultural pictures on it, these are from the pure bamboo, and they cut it into the cup shape. Viewers, this is a night time and we are in the night market, and here you can see the colorful lanterns. Today we make you visit the night market of the Da Nang. Hope you like our video. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel, like it and share it, and wait for the next episode. Tab tak ke liye, Allah Hafiz.